Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to Simple and Smart English with Muzher. Today I'm gonna conduct our first dialogue on SSE with Muzher with a student who did his spoken English course from me. Today you will listen his first dialogue on my channel. Let's start. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Farhan Kabir.
Right, and may I know your father name?
My father name is Muhammad Kabir Khan.
All right, good. And can you please tell me what is your qualification?
I am studying at University Muzaffarabad.
Right, and in which field are you getting your education?
Basically, my field is lab.
Right, great. And may I know something more about your interest? In which field do you have interest? The field you have chosen in university, do you have interest in it?
Yeah, I have a lot of interest.
Right, and audience, this is Mr. Farhan, and he is a student of university. So today, before moving towards the dialogue, what I want to convey to all of you that audience, the dialogue which I'm gonna conduct today, that is very important, and this dialogue will appeal you a lot, will attract you a lot, because this is not only a dialogue, but it will give you some messages, some meanings, how to communicate in English language, right? And particularly when you are facing foreigners and you don't know how to talk to them and how to communicate them, and when they ask you any kind of thing but you become answerless, right? So this dialogue will help you that how to communicate, because the way you are at the moment watching the videos, learning many more things, right? Language doesn't mean only to follow the rules, but it means to convey at least your message, right? And today the very important dialogue which I'm gonna manage here, that is the first dialogue on SSE with Muzher, right? And the dialogue which I'm gonna conduct with Mr. Farhan, and he has been my student, and he did his spoken English course from me, and he's facing first dialogue. So hope so that you all will watch this video from start to end in order to learn many more things and in order to listen the conversation of Mr. Farhan, right? Yes, today I'm gonna discuss you something. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, I am ready.
Right. The topic for the discussion is hobby. So can you please tell me what is hobby like?
Basically, in a very simple word, hobby is an activity which we do in a very free time.
Free time, right? Excellent, and very simple answer you gave, but gave very well, right? So now I'm gonna ask you that what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
All right, my hobby is playing cricket, right? Cricket is your hobby. As you know that there are many more. There are different hobbies. So why is cricket your hobby?
Because it is very benefit for all health.
Right, because it is good for health, right? So can you please tell me, playing cricket is your hobby, and do you also get entertainment while playing cricket, or you don't get?
Yeah, right.
You get, right? So can you please tell me, for how long have you been playing cricket?
I playing cricket since my childhood, but regularly after my matriculation.
All right, good. You have been playing cricket since your childhood. And
regularly after my matriculation.
Okay, regularly you started after matriculation, right?
Yeah.
So can you please tell me, where did you play your first match? Do you remember?
Yeah, I played my first match in school.
Right, in your school, right? Have you been a captain of your school team, or you were just a player?
Yeah, I just a player.
Right, you were just a player, right? So can you please tell me, what do you feel when you play cricket?
I feel very well, and I am basically I am an all-rounder.
Right.
So I focus on my match and my performance, and
Excellent.
my.
That's great. That's great. You keep on focusing on your performance, right? So can you please tell me, do you play as a batsman, or as a bowler, or as an all-rounder?
And basically I am all-rounder, but my strength is bowling.
Oh, well, right. Your strength is bowling, right? And before moving towards your performance in bowling, I just want to know that who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Muhammad Amir.
Right, and can you please tell me something about Muhammad Amir? Is he a national player or international player?
No, it is an international player.
He's an international player, right? So do you feel happy when you watch his matches?
Yeah, very happy.
All right, good. So can you please tell me, do you remember any of his match he played and performed, outstanding?
Yeah, I remember his match he played against India in ICC Champion Trophy, and in this match he played very well.
Right, good.
And his bowling is a turning point of the match, I think.
His bowling was a turning point, right? So can you please tell me, do you play by your own or do you represent any club?
Yeah, I represent my club, and my club name is Shining Star.
Your club name is Shining Star, right? And if I, want to know about your performance as a bowler, so where you lie, like what are your, highest, wickets, and how many wickets have you taken so far, and highest wickets as well. You may mention here.
My highest wickets are 5, and mostly matches I got 3 wickets.
Right. So it means you are the backbone of your team, isn't it?
Yeah.
It may be right. It's although a joke, maybe it may be right. Anyhow, it's okay. Wonderful, performance you are, making in your matches, and it's very appealing. It's very attractive thing that you have a lot of interest in playing cricket, and you know what is cricket actually, right? And can you please tell me that if any person gives you a chance to play at national level or international level, so will you present yourself or will you not present yourself?
Why not? Why not? I like to play at international level.
All right. And dear students, you are listening to Farhan. He's my student and he's doing dialogue with me, right? And as you have heard that his hobby is playing cricket, and cricket is not only his a game, but he gets a lot of entertainment as well, and further benefits of playing cricket we will come to know from him now. Can you please tell me, you play cricket for entertainment as well, right? As you also play cricket because it is good for health as well.
Yeah.
So does this game make you responsible as well?
Yeah, very responsible. It teaches us how to maintain a discipline.
Right, excellent. What a wonderful answer you gave. I was not expecting this, but you answered well that playing cricket is not only an entertainment, but it makes you responsible person as well, because you know how to maintain discipline while playing cricket as well, because you know where to focus or where not to focus, like this, like that, right? This is the charm of the game, right? So can you please tell me, is there any player who is not a bowler but batsman? Who is your favorite batsman in Pakistani cricket team?
My favorite batsman is Mohammad Hafiz.
Right, and why is he your favorite batsman?
Because his playing style is very good, and
right, good. And what about an international player? Is there any player who plays at international level, but not from Pakistani team, but international players?
Yeah.
Who is your favorite international player?
Internationally, my favorite player is Kohli.
Virat
right?
Kohli. That's great. Okay, right. This was the end of dialogue, because you have performed very well, and I really appreciate you. You have improved a lot, right? So audience, today you have listened Mr. Farhan, and has been my student, and he did his spoken English course from me, and today he became the part of this channel as a student, and he presented himself first person who should dialogue with the teacher, right? And alhamdulillah, he has got a chance today, and he came here and he did his dialogue, and you all have listened it, and hopefully you all will like it and you all will enjoy it as well. And if you all, the students who are watching here, if you want to make dialogue with me, come on my channel and make your dialogues. And this offer is for only the learners or who have a lot of interest in learning English language, right? So this is the end of our session, and inshallah we will see later. And keep visiting this channel. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, please do subscribe and share it many more persons. and if you like it, right? So this is the end of our dialogue. So now inshallah we will carry on, we will focus on inshallah in future. Thanks a lot.